Okay, so I've got a bit more time to film today, so I thought I'd do another video. And this is about Olympus mju, I think they're called. I used to have one many years ago, and yeah, they're not brilliant. I don't understand why the people are so over the top about buying these compact cameras. I just don't understand it. Anyway, that's by the by. So I just wanted to go through some of the cameras I've got for less than buying one mju. So here they are. So this is the reason why I wanted to show you what you could get for less than buying one Olympus mju camera. And I know the selection here isn't brilliant, but remember, this is one compact camera that costs up to 300 plus pounds, and I've got this for a lot less than that. And I'm just going to go through the cameras I've got for less than that and explain. Some of them had longer than others, and some of them are new, as you know, because of the last video. Okay, we'll start with the Minolta Dynex 7000 I. Bought that about 2 months ago now. Cost me £9.99, including the lens. Right, so I've got a really good SLR film camera for £9.99. I bought this about 4 years ago, the T70 on eBay. Again, I think all these eBay purchases, and that one was £13.99. Okay, and then when it comes to the 1000 FN, this was another eBay purchase, and that cost, I think it was £9.99. The most expensive one that's in this group is the Olympus OM20. That cost me £89. And the two lenses you see behind are the 135 f3.5 and the f4 70 to 150mm lenses. Now those lenses, I think the 135 cost about 40 quid and the 70 to 150 cost £9.99. Okay, and lastly is the Canon 100. Sorry, it's Canon EOS 100, and that one with the lens. I got the lens separately, and that was about 25-30 quid because I originally bought it for the 1000 FN, which is obviously for that one longer than this one. And I looked up again on my eBay, and it was £9.99 for the body. So you can see, for all this stuff that I've got, you couldn't even buy Olympus mju, which is a fixed focal length compact camera that actually has problems in focusing a lot of the time. And the reason I say this, I used to have one. When I gave up photography, I wanted a compact camera, and that's what I bought. And I got quite mixed results with it. Exposure wasn't always right, and certainly the focus wasn't always right. And they're complaints I've heard about it myself. Anyway, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.